Hey, what's up everybody? This is Easy Speeds and Feeds. Today I'll show you how to do some dynamic milling on aluminum, and it'll be about a 3-minute video. So let's get started. Alright, so here's our part. We'll go down to the first level. There's a solid, and we have our stock drawn, and we have a profile drawn. Two things you need. Alright, we go to toolpath, go to dynamic mill, click on machining regions, click on the stock. We'll go from outside, click on avoidance regions, and you want to click on the part. So you want to machine the stock but avoid the part. Now we're going to zoom up. We're going to make sure we chain it perfectly. We get all the radiuses, we get everything. Okay. Make sure we get every little piece so we don't have to go back and redo anything. Last piece right there. Okay, we'll hit the check mark. From outside, that's good. Hit the next check mark. Go to tool. We got a 1/2" end mill. That's tool 1. We go to easyspeedsandfeeds.com, click on aluminum and milling. Next, we'll find a 1/2" end mill. We'll plug in some speeds and feeds. 1,000 surface feet, 1/2" end mill, 3 teeth, 1/4 inch per tooth, 1/12 inch per rev, 7,639 RPM. And that gives us a feed rate of 91 inches a minute. So we'll go 7,500 and 90 inches a minute. So we go to cut parameters, step over, 25 thou, minimum tool radius, we go 25 thou. Stock to leave on walls and floors we'll set to 0. Linking parameters will go down 1/2 inch because that's the thickness of our part. Hit the check mark. We'll zoom out. Looks like you made a pretty good toolpath. Now we'll go into verify and see what's going on. We always use verify just so there's no surprises on the machine when we go to run it. Okay, we click play. It's going around, 25 thou cuts, 90 inches a minute. That's looking good. Doing some tricotal motions right there to get those radiuses. And that's basically it. That's, it's not too hard to do dynamic milling. Just make sure you create all the necessary wireframe, and then you go and use easyspeedsandfeeds.com and you should be all set. So subscribe for more videos, and we'll see you later. Thanks.